What's up? I'm Charlie with Load Trail. We're doing a walk around of the TH14 tilt deck trailer today. It's a durable and versatile solution for transporting a variety of materials and equipment. On the front end, we've got a 2 5/16 adjustable coupler, a 10K drop leg jack on an 8-inch I-beam tongue with an optional tool tray. Let's check out the frame. The frame features an 8-inch I-beam design, ensuring a solid foundation for your cargo. It sits on two 7,000-pound Dexter Torsion axles, equipped with 16-inch 8-hole wheels on two 35/80 R16 LRE tires. The trailer is equipped with a 3x10 by 1 1/4 inch gravity-fed cylinder for smooth and efficient operation of the 16-foot tilt deck. And we also have a 4-foot stationary deck in the front for your various attachments and materials, a combined 20 feet of deck space. We've got treated wood flooring, ensuring long-lasting durability and protection for both the trailer and your equipment. We've got 6 weld-on D-rings strategically placed around the deck, allowing you to securely tie down your cargo. The TH Tit-deck trailer features an 1/8 steel diamond plate knife edge tail for easy loading and unloading. The steel diamond plate fenders provide protection from debris and offer a sleek look to your trailer. Safety is a top priority, and the TH Tit-deck trailer is equipped with LED stop, tail, and clearance lights that are visible in all weather conditions. The 16-gauge 5-way double insulated wire harness ensures reliable electrical connections, while the 7-way cold weather cord offers a durable connection to your tow vehicle. The trailer undergoes a chemical pre-treatment, allowing for maximum paint adhesion. This protects it from potential rust and corrosion over time. Finally, the TH Tit-deck trailer is primed and powder-coated tough for a long-lasting and durable finish. In conclusion, the TH Tit-deck trailer is a reliable, durable, and versatile solution for all your heavy-duty transportation needs. If you need any more information or have any questions at all, please visit the website below.